Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're taking a look at Windscribe, found at windscribe.com. Windscribe is a VPN service that aims to provide online privacy and security. It offers a variety of features designed to protect your data and enhance your browsing experience. From encrypted connections and a strict no-logging policy to ad and malware blocking, Windscribe presents a comprehensive suite of tools. One of its standout features is the availability of a free tier, allowing users to experience the core benefits of a VPN without a financial commitment. This free version comes with a data cap, but it's a great way to test the waters before upgrading to a paid plan. Windscribe supports a wide range of operating systems and devices, including Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. They even offer browser extensions for added convenience. Setting up Windscribe is generally straightforward, with user-friendly applications and clear instructions. This ease of use makes it accessible even for those new to VPNs. The service boasts servers in numerous locations globally, giving users a variety of options for connecting and potentially bypassing geo-restrictions on certain content. Beyond the standard VPN features, Windscribe offers some unique extras, like its ROBERT feature, which allows for customized blocking of domains, ads, and malware, providing a granular level of control over your online experience. The company also emphasizes its commitment to user privacy, highlighting its no-logging policy and independent security audits. While the free version provides a good starting point, the Pro version unlocks unlimited data, access to all server locations, and the full suite of features. Pricing for the Pro version is competitive with other VPN providers on the market. Whether you're looking to protect your privacy on public Wi-Fi, access geo-restricted content, or simply enhance your online security, Windscribe offers a compelling package. It's a versatile VPN solution with a range of features suitable for both beginners and experienced users. From its intuitive interface to its robust security measures, Windscribe is certainly worth considering for anyone in the market for a VPN. Remember to check out the links below for more information and to explore Windscribe for yourself.